Hello learners, this is Karthik Divedi and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Python Tutorial with Beast. In this tutorial, I'll provide you the basic knowledge of Python. So without wasting any time, let's start.
So here comes the Beast. In this tutorial, we will see the introduction part of Python. So without wasting any time, let's learn something. Python. The man behind this programming language, Python, was Guido van Rossum. He is a Dutch developer who gave this famous programming language in the year of 1989. Have you ever thought that why the name of this programming language is Python? Do you know there is a very fascinating story behind this? This man, Guido van Rossum, was a huge fan of a movie named Monty Python's Flying Circus. That's why he gave this programming language name as Python. Moving towards the features of this programming language, this language is a high-level language, which means the code which we will write for doing the Python coding are much similar to the human language. The second feature of this programming language is case-sensitive language. That is, capital letters are different from small letters. This language is also platform independent language and object oriented language also. This language uses interpreter and hence it is called interpreted language. Moving towards the application of this programming language, after learning Python, we can do web development, we can make various business applications, we can make games and 3D graphics and do database management, and many more applications are also can be performed by learning Python. So this was all about the introduction of Python. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please do subscribe and like this video and also share this video. Thank you and goodbye.